Hello, it is Friday the 21st of March 2025, got there in the end. So we haven't been away for about 3 weeks. So tonight we are aiming for Burnham-On-Sea to stay the night. We've got a few weeks left for that one, haven't we? And then you can't stay the night
until April the 1st.
Oh right, we've got until April the 1st.
And at the end of September you can stay there again.
I don't know if you heard that. So from April the 1st until the end of September, you can't stay there overnight.
2 hours. Well, it's 2 hours maximum stay.
Right, okay, I don't know if you heard that. So that's what we're aiming for. And then tomorrow we are aiming to go to Steart Marshes for the day. Don't know where we're staying overnight, and I don't know where we're going on Sunday. So that's that. Laters. Bye. Say bye.
Say bye.
Good morning. It is Saturday the 22nd. Are you sure? Saturday the 22nd. So yes, we did make it to Burnham-On-Sea. If you want to see my little park up video of this place, go to our park ups, campsites, and what was it, airs? I can't remember. Playlist anyway. It'll be in there, and I'll try and remember to put a link. Oh, actually, I won't be able to do that, will I? Well, I just have to go there. Yeah. So Burnham-On-Sea. We did come here years ago, a few years ago, and we videoed the church. Can't remember what the church is called, which is just behind that guest house there. And the church is actually the church tower is actually wonky. Don't know if you can see that. If you line it up with the post and the edge of the building, it is actually wonky. Can't remember why. I will put a link, if I remember, of that video, and then you can see what the church was like from a few years ago. Right, our plan is to now go to Steart Marshes, which is about 8 miles away, I suppose. About 8 miles.
Yeah.
We think. So, is that not Cardiff then?
No, that's the
God.
power station at Hinkley Point. Cardiff's over there. You can't see it now because the lights have turned the lights off.
Right, okay. In the park up video, then I said that's Cardiff, and it's not. That's Hinkley Point. Okay. Right, let's go. There's a pier down there, Burnham Pier Amusements. So we arrived here at Steart Marshes. When we pulled into like the way in, there was a height barrier across, and we thought, oh, what. They've put a height barrier there since we've been here last, but Leon went in. We know that it opens at, I don't know, 8:30, 9 o'clock officially, so we did wonder, and Leon went and found out and asked, and a lady came and just opened the barrier for us. So obviously the barrier gets opened at a certain time, first thing in the morning sort of thing. So yeah, so we have parked. We asked where it was best for us to park. So where's the way in? The way in's over there somewhere. There is a toilet block, and she said to come in this bit and park on this little bit here. It is grass, but it's also hard ground underneath. And she said as long as we park away from the gates and stuff, we'll be fine. So anyway, we are now going on a little walk. Don't know what we're going to see. So it was about 19 miles in the end from Burnham. Oops. So we shall see what we see. There's a toilet block. And there's a little information boards and stuff. You just got a leaflet, have you? I think he said, yeah, he's got a leaflet. Catering on Sundays, 11 till 3. Scone mad. Scone, I suppose, isn't it? Scone. I would say scone. And this is the map of the place. Donation. You put in a donation.
Donation of £3.
He said there's a suggested donation for £3 parking. So he's just done that. Right. So we are there. There's lots of different hides, different trails as well. I'm not quite sure what we're doing. Which way are we going?
Across the road.
What, over there?
Yeah.
Through that gate? No? Oh, over there. Right, I see. Okay. See you later. Little leaflet board thing, and he just said there's a sculpture trail. Anyway, got a little car park is only over there. A little pond thing here.
There's an otter for the sculpture trail.
Is that the sculpture? That's not a sculpture though, surely. That can't be the sculpture trail, surely. Alright, spoonbills here, is there? Okay, we've got a mute swan here. Don't look him in the eye. Don't look him in the eye. Nice birdie, nice birdie. Nice birdie, that's right, you carry on cleaning. There are power lines which I can hear crackling. that from that way. But when we were right the way across the other side there, we looked across here and we could see, it looked from where we were, it looked quite an old church, which we think is up here. So that's where we're going at the moment. It's turned out really hot. So oopsie, where's this?
I don't know where this is.
Oh, and you'd reckon the church is definitely up there? Yeah, okay. Oh, these pretty daffs, look. Facing the other way, but never mind. Nope, don't know where that church is. There it is, through the trees, somewhere there. Probably get there and find it's B&Q or something. There it is. I can hear a woodpecker, green woodpecker somewhere, laughing his head off. Some farm or something in there as well. Don't know what it's called or anything. No. Right, there it is from this angle. Let's go and see if it's open. But it's shut. Okay, he's going in. Is it open? Oh, it says it's open. Okay. Does it say what it's called?
All Saints Church, Otterhampton.
Ah, All Saints Church, Otterhampton. Oh, look. I like this bit when you first. Oh, it is nice and cool. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, there's the bell thingy, look. Do you reckon if I pulled it? Dare I pull it? Oh my God. It's a real live bell pull. I don't know, should I? I don't think so, I might get told off. There's a font with a pointy lid. Look at that. That's like, love all the stonework. It's obviously been repaired because look, you can see all the, but it makes it stand out, doesn't it? Wow. Duet on doigt, or however you say it, I can't remember actually. Ah, I like churches like these. Oh, there's the organ. And the pipes. Don't know anything about this church at all. I'm assuming it's still in use then, is it?
No.
No? Oh. There's still somebody that puts flowers around there. Whoopsie, loose stone thing. Right, okay. Got a bit more information. So this communion rail is 17th century. You see all the swirly, curly carvings on it. Try and get closer. There we go. Okay. Right, so this rood screen is late medieval, did you say? It's late medieval. We'll try to shut the doors, but the wood's swollen and it won't shut, so we don't want to damage it.
There's quite ornate carvings on the
There
doors.
is quite a lot of carvings, isn't there? Look at those fancy pants carvings. And along here, there's quite an old-ish. I don't know, maybe Victorian actually. I don't know. That chair looks quite old, doesn't it? Is that it?
I believe so.
Okay.
The font is Norman, and the cover is Jacobean.
Is that it? Great big yew tree. And something else just noticed. Oh, there's a cross built into the wall. Obviously belonged to something else, and then they used it while they were making the wall. Teeny tiny door. Farm right next door. Don't know what that was. The base of something. Oh, sun's right in my face. Not complaining. Another base of a cross or something there. And whatever this is. A grave. Don't know. Don't think you can go any further. Back around the front again, and there's two little faces. Neil said he's taken a photo of them. That's it. All those daffs there, look on the bank. Right, we're going back down the road. Okay, not quite back into the actual nature reserve yet, we're just walking along this road. And the plan is, before we get back to the van, we're going to... So we've just done the nature reserve in that bit and walked back. But apparently there's a bit of the nature reserve on this side of the road. So where it could be here, I can see a gate with some green signs. Just trying to work out how to get in there. A lot of them say staff only. Oh, I don't know. We shall soon find out. Doesn't look like it, does it? Where did you get in there? Oh, power line's right ahead of us, right above us. Right, the decision has to be made. We either go back to the van and have something to eat, because it is like just gone lunchtime, or we don't have dinner and we do the little bit of nature reserve on that side. Don't know. There's the car parks filled up a bit. That's us over there, look. So we're all right. Don't know what to do. Part of me thinking carry on.
Do it then.
Okay, we're going to carry on then. And then get back and eat something when we get back. I don't know where we're staying tonight either. So we're going through there, are we?
Yeah.
Okay. So, oh, that's right. Yeah, we went. That's. Hang on, there's a car coming. No overnight park. It's a shame actually, because that would be quite nice. That's where we went to start in there just now. And now we're going this way. I know it's all as clear as mud. Whew. So we're going in there. Is that right? Go for it. You are here. Right, okay. Right, so there's the car park. We've just walked along that path. We should have just leaped over that fence just now, that gate from the road, but anyway, probably. And oh, what have I just stepped in? Nothing. Oh, that way, is it?
Yeah, I think it's a big loop.
Big loop, and then we'll come back this way. Okay. I can't believe how hot I'm feeling. All right, that's the little path that we saw just now. We couldn't work out how to get into it.
Two swans.
Yes, there were two swans. Earlier we did see a brown hare, didn't we? Before we got to the church, saw a brown hare. Oopsie. Oh, what was that? Saw a brown hare run across the path that we were on, and then it ran across the field, and then it stopped underneath a buzzard who was perched on a gate post. I did take some photos, but they have come out rubbish, but I will still put them on somewhere, probably at the end of this vid, because they were quite a distance away. But there you go. Oopsie, it's very muddy. Right, through there then.
Gate just shut.
Where? What?
That gate's
oh.
got weight on it. And it's just, like,
oh.
the bag, so the shoes are there.
Is it, or is it? Oh.
Well, you can go that way. If we go right, it'll take us back to the car park.
Will it?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't go on. Right, we've decided to turn back because we're both really hungry and all we can think about is food. So we didn't get very far. It's gone all grey and horrible. We weren't quite sure where we're going. So we are heading back to Baz. This away and have something to eat there. See you later, bye.
just walked up around the field where the campsite is. It's basically the other side of that field, but I've had to walk around 3 sides of it to get here. And that is Stembridge Tower Mill. It's National Trust, but it's been closed for a couple of years since COVID. Don't know when it'll ever open again.
Good morning, it is Sunday the 23rd. I don't know what day I said it yesterday, but I don't think I said the 22nd. Anyway, we didn't fancy, we were going to go to Grey Lakes for the night last night, but we didn't fancy it, I don't know why. So we found a little campsite. We were looking for lots of campsites and they were either all not open yet or all very expensive. One, I'm not going to say which one, wanted nearly £40 for the night. It's like, no way. Just daylight robbery, innit? So we found this one. This is Hilltops CL site in, where is it? High Ham in Somerset. And if you want to see a bit more of that, go to our Park Ups, Campsites, and I think it's Airs playlist, where I've done a little video of this. Was there what, grey waste? No, not grey waste, toilet waste thing. Yeah. Oh, there is? Yeah, around the back of the toilet. Oh, I didn't say that on the other video. Right, okay. There is grey waste. No, toilet waste. Yeah. Now, it was sunny last night when we got here. It was sunny when we woke up this morning, but it's gone a bit cloudy. Nice view, isn't it? Look at that.